hope you are all happy sessions. Online classes. Today, welcome to another online class. With wants to be is what? There is a mind blowing. We need to use if there is no gap. According to the meaning of the sentence, there is a small passage. There are only 4 words, and in the box there are 5 more words, and the words are connected with base form. That means happy, unhappy, happily, happiness. Just different speech. Yes. So if we want to fill the gaps, what we need to do? An honest man is the gap is after be verb, and there is to use adjective. So the idea is positive and honest. Happy, leads his yes, his life is happen. Just man is always. This idea is negative, and also we need to use adjective here, unhappy. But it is also a dear students, I have told you that before considering gaps, at first we need to read out the whole passage and then sentence, and then try. This passage is about Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a land. There is a gap, rivers. So this gap is between two, and we can add this noun with land with a preposition. That means, according to the meaning, the preposition will be Bangladesh is a land of rivers. Rivers. She is a land of beauty. There is also a gap, and students, if there is no gap, no problem, because this is a complete sentence. However, there is a gap. That means we can use an adverb here. So what type of adverb? She is also a land of beauty. She is land of, another gap, she is a land of dash beauty. This gap is before noun. So in that case, we can use an adjective to modify the noun. So beauty, natural beauty. Natural beauty. She is a land of natural beauty. She, there is a gap, and perhaps in that gap we have to use a verb. She is rich. Also, dear students, there is a mistake, and we is rich because verb we have used, because this is adjective. Before adjective we may use verb for linking verb. So she is rich in culture. She is glorified with her culture, gap, tradition. Two nouns. So we may use a conjunction here to add this to noun of same idea. Glorified. She is glorified with her culture and tradition. We are proud of birthland. Dear students, this gap, in this gap we need to use a possessive case. So we are proud of our, from we, possessive form our. We are proud of our birthland. Yes. Dear students, another passage. This passage is about tea. The very first word reminds us this passage will be about tea. So tea is a dash drink. Drink here, and you know that noun. So is a dash drink. What type of drink? Maybe a common drink, popular drink. Yes, tea is a popular drink. Almost everybody likes to, after to, this form of verb according to the meaning of the noun given after the gap. Tea. Almost everybody likes to take, drink, or have tea. When we are tired, we take tea. By taking tea, we remove our, after this is positive. There is a mutual obligation, or definitely we have to use noun after positive case. So we remove our what? Tiredness. Bangladesh produces a lot of after preposition, definitely we need a noun form, and according to the meaning, Bangladesh produces a lot of what? What's about the passage? This passage is about tea. That means tea. A lot of tea. Many other countries of the world also, there is a gap of verb, because there is no verb, and the subject many other countries, and this verb is available here to produce, but many other countries plural also will be produce. Many other countries of the world also produce tea. Tea was first produced in China. Okay, next one, please, dear students. Another passage, and this passage is about flower. Yes, a flower is the best superlative form. We may use a common noun here because best is superlative form. So best gift of flower. It is also a symbol of dash and. After and noun, so another noun we use. It is also a symbol of same meaning or same idea, purity and beauty. It dash after pleasure. Yes, pleasure. Verb. But there is nobody but another verb we use. Loves flower. Loves a flower. But it is a matter of sorrow that a flower doesn't. After doesn't, we have to use this form of verb. So the verb will be, it is a matter of sorrow that a flower doesn't last long. A flower doesn't last long. Yes, welcome to another passage, dear students, and this passage is about sincerity. So sincerity is there is a gap and it is before superlative degree. Normally before superlative degree we use an article and that is the. So sincerity is the best way of achieving success. One can go a long way if one does anything with sincerity. People who are, yes, after be verb, the gap is after be verb, so we need to use adjective. People who are sincere, S-I-N-C-E-R-E, sincere in their successful. The great men are also sincere, and this is a complete sentence, and another new sentence has been started, and this one, the first sentence is the result of second one. So this is a reason. So we may use the connector because the great men are also sincere because they know that sincerity is the, this will be a phrase word. What? Key to success. K-E-Y. Key to success. Dear students, we need to be acquainted with some common phrase words. Frequently these phrase words are used in a sentence to make the meaning expressive. Those who are, definitely we need to use a base form of verb, a long way. This is a phrase word and the verb will be can never go. And you may say, sir, these passages are so much, these guys are easy, but I mean these are passages you may consider. It's not a fact, but I would like to suggest you to fill the gaps considering this way or ideas, and I am sure you will be benefited, and hoping that, dear students, I would like to conclude here and welcoming another